Why do your knuckles make that cracking sound? Most people think it's your bones snapping together, but that's not true at all. So what's really happening? I'll tell you. But if you want strong, healthy joint, tap like and subscribe and share this video. Inside your joints is a slippery liquid called synovial fluid filled with tiny gases. When you bend or stretch your fingers, pressure changes inside the joint, forming small gas bubbles that pop, and that pop is the sound you hear. But you can't crack the same knuckle twice in a row because those bubbles take about 20 minutes to build back up. And if you use too much force, you might press on the wrong spot and this will happen.